Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a lipstick swatch video for you guys on the NARS Powermatte lip pigments. Now these lipsticks are not new, they've been around for quite some time, but they are new to me because I bought them just a couple of months ago. So I just want to give you my thoughts on them. So if you would like to see these lip swatches, just keep watching. Okay, so before we get started with the lip swatches, I do want to mention that I did exfoliate my lips and I added chapstick because to make this review basically fair, I'm trying to keep it as to doing what I normally would do when I apply a lipstick, because this is what I would do. And I always exfoliate my lips and I use the Sugar Lip Polish and Fresh, and then I usually put a chapstick on. The one I used is this one. It says Total Hydration Eucalyptus Mint. It's just a chapstick. I get it at Walmart, or you can get them in bulk from Amazon. But I think any chapstick would do, but that's just what I do before I apply, especially matte lipsticks. I just feel that they glide on smoother. So your application just looks a lot better. I mean, when you get all that like dry skin from your lips off, so it just comes out smoother and it looks nicer. So get started, and I'm going to start with Slow Ride. This one is Slow Ride. Another good thing about these lipsticks is that they don't dry, they dry up to a matte finish, but they don't dry out your lips, if that makes sense. So I really like the wear. They last for a really good amount of time on without smudging. And this next one is Somebody to Love. I think this one's more of a pink tone. I want to say it's more of a pink tone. But okay, next up we're gonna go to a little bit, I want to say a darker color. This one's more of a chocolatey brown. I do want to say that for these lipsticks, like with one time that you take it out of the bottle, it's good. You don't even need to double dip it to get more. Like, they're really pigmented. So this one is, let me tell you that, Done It Again. Ooh, my lips are looking a little crazy now because they're getting a little irritated, but we're gonna keep going. This one is Light My Fire. This one is like I would say it's like an orangey red. It has like an orange or like orange undertone to it, I think it does, but it's red. I don't know if that makes sense, like a super bright red. So okay guys, for the last one it was a little hard to take off. I'm telling you, like, they kind of like the brighter ones, they tend to stain your lips, so they're a little bit harder to take off. But I mean, that's why they last a long time, right? You can eat and still look like you have lipstick on, so that's pretty awesome. Anyways, this last one is Don't Stop, and this was like a true red. Okay guys, that is it for this video. My last thoughts on these lipsticks are that they are great. The pigmentation is there. They last a really long time on your lips because they even stain your lips, so even after you eat you still have some stain of the color on them. So that's how great they are. They are pretty good under mask because I've worn them like that and they stay pretty put under your mask. So I mean, I just have no complaints about them. They're like really good quality. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you have any questions regarding this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.